Hello everybody. So today I'd like to review the Rode VideoMicro compact on-camera microphone. So let's take a look at this together. And I got this for making videos to make my audio sound better to go on my camera here. So let's take a look at the box. So on the side it says 2-year warranty, no battery required. So that's really nice. It's a very compact size, and it also has a suspension mount included. And on the back, we have basically the same information here. Okay, and so it shows a picture here of the wind muff as well as the microphone itself. And on the side, it looks like it has a picture of the microphone with the wind muff on it, mounted on a camera. Okay, so let's open it up and let's take a look inside. Okay, so that's quite easy to open up. And here's our wind muff. It's quite big. Shock mount. And also inside we have the cable to plug it into the camera. All right, a quick start guide. Okay, so basically it tells you how to put this thing together. Regulatory and safety to mount this thing. There we go. And I believe the Rode should be facing upwards. Let's push it in, there we go. And then you just basically twist it to make it mount in. And then all I need to do is open up this end here and then plug this in. So I will now put this to the test, and I'm sure it's going to make my sound quality a lot better. Alright, so I'm doing an audio test of the Rode VideoMicro, which is mounted on top of my Sony ZV-1 camera. So this is how most people will vlog. They'll just hold the camera with their arm outstretched. And this is what the sound quality will sound like of the Rode VideoMicro. So let me know how the quality of the sound is in the comments down below. So I got this Rode microphone's 3.5mm stereo audio extension cable. The model number is VC-1 to use with my Rode VideoMicro. And the reason why I got this cable is because this Rode VideoMicro, as you can see, the extension cable is actually quite short. And so if I want to set a microphone stand boom arm away from the camera, this short little cable is not enough. So that's why I got this 3-meter, 10-feet cable from Rode in order to extend the cable so that I can reach my camera from my microphone. So let's take a look at the back here. So Rode genuine accessories, description 3.5mm stereo audio extension cable, 2-core shielded cable with cold-plated jack and socket, and it's suitable for use with the Rode Video Mic. And on its website, it's also usable with any of the Rode microphones, so Rode Video Mic Pro, and so on. And it should also work with this Rode VideoMicro. Okay. So let's open this up and take a look inside. So this cable looks to be quite durable. So it's quite nice to be able to get the microphone as close to the subject or the speaker as possible. Because while these shotgun microphones are great, they only work great in a really short distance. So as soon as you're more than a couple feet away from the microphone, then the sound quality actually goes down quite a bit even with these microphones. So that's why a cable like this is necessary to extend and to put the microphone as close to the subject as possible. And then this can now go into the camera, which could be up to 10 feet away from the microphone. Alright, so let's do a sound test of the Rode VideoMicro with the Rode VC-1 extension cable. So I have the microphone just dangling above my head, just out of frame right now. Let me bring it in so that you can see it. So this is the Rode VideoMicro, and then it's being attached to the Rode VC-1 3-meter or 10-feet cable. And then this basically runs along this microphone boom arm, and then it goes into my Sony ZV-1 camera. So the camera is being set right now just about arm's length. So I'm actually touching the lens right now, just arm's length. And so let me know how the sound goes. So this is the Rode VideoMicro with the Rode VC-1 extension cable being plugged directly into the Sony ZV-1 camera. Let me know how it sounds in the comments below. Alright, so this time I've got the Rode Wireless Go receiver plugged into my Sony ZV-1 camera, and then I have the Rode Wireless Go transmitter actually plugged into the Rode VideoMicro, so the signal is being received wirelessly from the receiver to the transmitter, and then it's being plugged into the Rode VideoMicro. So this is what it sounds like with the Rode VideoMicro and Rode Wireless Go combination. How does it sound? Let me know in the comments below. So this time I'm recording with the Rode Wireless Go. So this is the Rode Wireless Go that is clipped to my shirt. So this is what the audio sounds like with the Rode Wireless Go.